very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Thoughts are Energy, unveiling the forces that shape consciousness and reality. Ladies and gentlemen, the human brain, often regarded as the command center of the body, is far more than just a neural network. It is a dynamic, energetic system whose activity not only defines cognition and behavior but also shapes the very fabric of our existence. Emerging fields of neuroscience, biophysics, and quantum physics suggest that thoughts themselves are energy, powerful forces that interact with the body, the environment, and potentially the cosmos. This understanding invites a radical shift in perspective, prompting an exploration of how thoughts are formed, how they can be consciously influenced, and how they in turn influence both personal and collective realities. To understand the power of thought, one must first recognize the remarkable energy demands of the human brain. Despite constituting only about 2% of the body's weight, the brain consumes approximately 20% of the body's energy at rest. This high energy expenditure is essential for maintaining the complex neural activity that drives thoughts, emotions, and decision-making processes. The cardiovascular system plays a crucial role in supporting this energy demand by delivering oxygen-rich blood to the brain through an intricate network of arteries. This blood flow ensures that the brain has the glucose and the oxygen it needs to function effectively. The brain's energy requirements are so high that any disruption to the cardiovascular health, such as reduced blood flow or blocked arteries, can directly impair cognitive function, leading to memory issues, difficulty with decision making, or even neurological diseases. Conversely, physical exercise improves cardiovascular health, leading to more efficient blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive performance and mood regulation. Thus, the heart and the brain work in concert, emphasizing the profound connection between physical health and mental clarity. It is important to understand the formation of the nervous system, the foundation of thought and memory. At birth, the human nervous system is in its infancy. The brain, though structurally formed, continues to develop and mature throughout early life. In these formative years, the brain absorbs an immense amount of information from the environment, everything from sensory input to cultural teachings, familial values, and social norms. This early input forms the basis for the brain's database, which is essentially a complex web of neural connections that will influence cognition, emotional responses, and future decisions. As the brain processes experiences and stores them in memory, the neural networks grow increasingly complex. Early experiences such as language acquisition, social interactions, and emotional bonding are particularly influential as they shape the brain's circuitry. The values and culture passed down through generations also becomes embedded in the brain's framework, creating a foundation that governs thoughts and behaviors throughout life. This intricate process of neural development underscores the power of early life experiences in shaping not just the brain's structure, but the very thoughts it generates in adulthood. Physical actions, whether acts of kindness, physical exercise, or purposeful deeds, have a profound impact on the brain's database. Positive deeds contribute not only to physical well-being but also to emotional and mental health. When the body engages in beneficial activities, it generates neurochemicals such as endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, which not only improve mood but also reinforce positive neural pathways associated with well-being, self-efficacy, and social connections. Acts of kindness, generosity, and altruism also activate brain regions associated with empathy and reward, creating a virtuous cycle that encourages further positive actions and thoughts. This process is supported by neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections based on behavior and experience. When one engages in positive physical acts, the brain strengthens the neural networks that support constructive thoughts, which in turn lead to more positive actions. This cycle demonstrates how intentional physical actions can directly influence the thoughts that the brain generates, reinforcing a mindset that is both positive and purposeful. There is a close relationship between thoughts and action. It is an inextricable link. Let us explore it. Thoughts and actions are intimately connected in the human system, each constantly influencing the other. When the brain generates a thought, it initiates biochemical processes within the body, altering hormone levels, activating muscles, and driving behavior. Conversely, actions also have a direct impact on the brain, reinforcing or altering the thoughts that follow. This reciprocal relationship is a key driver of personal development and decision making. For example, When one thinks positively, the brain's neurochemical responses, such as the release of dopamine and serotonin, can trigger actions aligned with those positive thoughts, such as setting and achieving goals. This positive feedback loop reinforces the brain's neural pathways associated with constructive thinking. On the other hand, negative thoughts often lead to stress responses such as increased cortisol levels, which can trigger avoidance behaviors or withdrawal. These actions further solidify negative thought patterns, leading to a cycle of detrimental thinking and behavior. By consciously choosing actions that promote well-being, such as practicing gratitude, engaging in exercise, or participating in acts of service, individuals can shift their neural programming, breaking free from negative cycles and fostering positive thought patterns. Over time, this intentional practice creates a lasting change in the brain's structure, optimizing both thought generation and decision-making capabilities. Beyond the immediate physical and psychological factors that shape thoughts, there lies an intriguing possibility that the brain is not an isolated entity but is continually interacting with a broader energetic system, the cosmos. This idea is rooted in both ancient wisdom and emerging scientific theories. Quantum physics, which describes the universe at its most fundamental level, suggests that all matter, including the human brain, is connected by an energetic field. This field is not limited to the brain but extends throughout the body and potentially the universe. Research into biofields and electromagnetic energy hints that the brain's electromagnetic activity might not only influence the body but could also resonate with the Earth's natural energy fields and perhaps even the broader cosmic energies that permeate the universe. Some theorists suggest that human consciousness and the thoughts it generates may interact with these larger energetic systems, potentially offering new avenues for insight, intuition, and creative thinking. While the full scope of this cosmic connection remains a matter of further study, it represents an exciting frontier for exploration. If thoughts can indeed be influenced by universal energy, humans may be able to access higher levels of consciousness, creativity, and problem-solving ability. This concept ties back to the ancient traditions that have long recognized the link between the mind and the cosmos, suggesting that unlocking this connection could lead to a deeper understanding of both personal potential and the interconnectedness of all life. Harnessing the power of thought and thereby shaping the future is an interesting agenda. The idea that thoughts are energy offers a transformative opportunity to shape one's future. By understanding how thoughts are formed and influenced by physical actions, early experiences, and even cosmic energies, individuals can learn to direct their mental energy with purpose. Positive actions, healthy habits, and conscious engagement with one's environment can reshape the brain's database, facilitating the generation of positive, constructive thoughts. Moreover, by recognizing the connection between thoughts and the universe, individuals can tap into a larger reservoir of creative and intuitive potential. Whether through mindfulness, meditation, or purposeful action, humans can harness the energy of thought to influence not only personal outcomes but also collective transformation. The future, both personal and societal, is shaped by the thoughts that individuals and groups choose to cultivate. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the human brain is not just a processing unit. It is an energetic system that interacts with both internal and external forces. By consciously directing the energy of thought, individuals can alter their mental and physical states, improve their decision making, and cultivate a more positive, purposeful life. As science continues to unravel the mysteries of consciousness, it becomes clear that the potential of human thought, both as an energetic force and as a tool for transformation, has yet to be fully realized. The future trajectory of human evolution may very well depend on how humanity chooses to harness the power of its thoughts. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.